circuit layout design. Now you know that if you see the current situation, yes, we can say the most happening situation in Gujarat, in Maharashtra now, the specific that semiconductor related the special promotion you can say for this particular sector why government is there. But as of now, if you see, we will just see the guidelines, because there are not lot many cases or no cases regarding this particular this act considering India. So original, very important. The characteristics which are important in case of semiconductor is the original, distinctiveness, and capable of a distinguishing from any other layout design, which is a very important. And obviously commercial exploitation anywhere in India or a convention country. Just I want to just give you the situation that mostly the semiconductor, many times companies prefer to go into the patent protection for this particular semiconductor related protection.